guys, welcome to a new video. Now let's say hello to our new friend Christopher.
Hello.
So guys, today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button.
Yo, don't forget about me. I'm left out, brother.
Hello guys.
Not left out.
You're not left out, bro.
Hello.
Hello.
Anyways,
Let's play Don't Press the Button, the first one, alright? Join me.
Alright. Alright. Press the button. Okay. So, this is a pretty simple game, as everybody knows. As everybody should know.
Yeah.
Very, very classic.
Yeah.
Like, if you don't know this game, I'm sorry, but you should play it.
It's really fun.
I'm not sorry. I'm just saying that you should play it because it's fun. Find the correct key.
Oh, I found the key. I think I found the key. What door?
Nope, not the right key.
Wait, I got the correct key.
Yes, let's go. Oh, I got it.
Oh.
Wait, it was Christmas.
Oh.
Oh, guys,
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Yo, what the? That was random.
Yes. I am the champion. What do you think you're gonna win this round? I don't know. Probably one of the girls. That's what I know for sure. No, look at the ball. Wait, no, I'm Christopher wins.
I'm really the champion of the
Christopher won the 50 points.
Damn. Bro is too good. What? Just because it's a gang? Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Not today.
Oh, I'm still alive. Come on, who won? I was so close, bro.
Free admin on my place.
Oh. Okay, for now it's. Oh! We got this guy!
Oh, I died.
That thing is so fast. Whoever moves first is gay. Maybe you got something. One.
Osdiel, it was family friendly. Let's take a picture.
Yo, time to take a picture. Time to pick a
Does it
picture.
look so little? I'm literally a little baby. Look at that nice picture.
Look at that nice picture.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me.
Oh. Fine logs.
Oh, logs?
Making a crossover. It's a teamwork.
Yeah, this is like teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Guys, the special word is hamburger.
Never say the forbidden word G-Y ever again.
Alright.
This is family friendly, brother. You should know this already. Like, this is family friendly. Do not say those words.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, guys. Sometimes stuff slip out of our mouths.
Yeah. This is definitely not recommended for YouTube kids.
Sorry, it will never happen again.
Yeah. Sorry for being a total bad person.
Yeah. Yeah, just please forgive him.
Yeah, forgive us for cursing.
Yeah, we did it.
No. I'm pressing it. Yeah, I pressed it. Wait, what the? Put all the fireworks spread across the. I'm sorry. Don't leave me. I want you here with me.
I got it. Let's go.
The firework has been created.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
New Year.
The bag.
It's not even New Year, but yippee.
Yippee.
Well, guys, wait, we haven't been talking that much into the fans. Well, guys, we're sorry for not talking that much to you guys.
3, 1.
4, 3, 3, 1.
4, 3, 3, 1.
Alright, guys, I hope you guys are listening to what you have to do. Okay, try to get the correct path. Oh, no.
Oopsies.
This way. Oh, no. Wait, it's not these. Yes, this one.
Uh-huh. I'm not cooking.
Yes, I got it.
I'm not cooking right now, bro. I'm not cooking. I think that's it. Yep. We made it.
I pressed it. Guys,
Oh no, it's guys, we're both in the same team.
what's this?
Let's go, we won.
Let's go, boys.
Easy.
But don't be rude to the girls, because they have to be family friendly.
Yeah. Because we can't be rude. If I said it the worst way, people might think yeah, because sex, yeah. I don't even want to see. Oh, hell no. You want to hear like that or like crossing walk-ins, bro? What is red ugly for?
Right, guys?
Yeah,
It's just you don't have to be rude.
swear ugly red. Like you can't be calling red ugly.
Yes, yeah, take that. That's what you deserve.
Yeah. Oh, and Buffalo.
Haha, goodbye.
He deserves that.
Yeah.
Anyways, sorry guys if we're being rude, but she deserves it. She literally said ugly red. That means she's calling us ugly.
She's calling our team ugly.
Exactly, and we have to defend ourselves. Because that is offensive to us.
Yeah, trick-or-treating, yeah!
That ain't nice.
Yes.
Hey guys, what could possibly go wrong? I mean, right, man?
Yeah.
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh, the ghost! Ah! Watch out for it!
That was unexpected.
Cheer for Christopher! Go, Christopher!
Chris,
Go, Christopher! Yeah, let's go, Christopher!
W Christopher.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, I kept my hat.
Yeah! Yeehaw, mate! Oh, I think I know this is very good.
I know it. I think.
Let's see if we got it correct.
Come on. Let's go. I got it correct.
You chose the correct one. 10 plus coins. Let's see.
Well, that was simple. That was some simple mind games.
Oh, wait, what the? A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else. I think I
Alright, let's follow Christopher the Flopa. The Flopa socking me out. Nobody got it. Alright. Time for a trivia question. Time for 20.
Guys, if you don't know the answer, link in the bio below.
Yeah.
And I'm not calling you dumb or anything. I'm just saying if you don't know. Okay, what's the green?
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
I feel like blue is kind of safe. Okay, this time I'm going for red.
No, I'm going for yellow.
Red. No.
Great job surviving.
Well, bye-bye, Christopher.
I lost my beautiful hat.
That's sad. Wait, what the heck?
Push him off the edge.
Watch out, boulders incoming. I survived.
Me too.
No.
Somebody bike bracelet.
Yo.
Yo!
Yo.
Yo, fans, are you guys watching this?
Oh, this is insane.
Yo,
No.
guys, are you guys looking at this?
It looks insane. Like you could just look at the.
If
Yeah.
you see this, leave it in a comment below. If you saw that. What the?
Oh no, meteors are coming. Guys, I have a perfect idea on how to win this.
Be careful. Guys, dodge all the meteors. Don't let them hit you. I got hit. I got hit. I died.
Uh-huh.
We thank you a lot.
Oof, I died at the very end.
And guys,
Do not attack Flopa. And
I'm not gonna attack you.
Carl. Alright.
I did not kill. Sorry guys, but that was the rules.
You get ready to throw ornaments at the tree.
Oh, that sounds cool. Time to throw ornaments
Oh,
to help Santa with his tree.
tree.
For the little kids out here, Santa's real. I'm lying.
Don't lie.
Yeah, lying is bad. And also, we're not lying. Santa's real.
Yeah, he should play around.
Yeah, I'm just playing around. What do you expect?
You actually think he's gonna lie?
Exactly.
Well guys, we're kind of being rude, so I think we should stop. Oh! Hey!
Oh wait, we shouldn't attack our friend like that.
Yo, guys, I got an Oreo ice cream.
W.
Oh, nice.
Alright. After this round, we'll stop recording.
Alright. Well, since this is the end, guys, link. Alright, leave a comment. Link in the bio if you have any questions. Leave comments, like, and subscribe. And peace.
Let's go, we won.
Alright,
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Have a nice day.